Welcome. If you're having trouble getting your VR headset to work properly with the Facebook app on your PC, you're not alone. With the latest update, Facebook has added some new permission settings that you'll need to enable before jumping into any virtual reality experiences. But don't worry. We'll walk through the steps together, nice and simple. First, go ahead and open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're using the desktop version of the app, not just the web browser. Once it's open, look toward the top of the page. You'll see 3 small dots. Click on those to bring up a quick access menu. From there, select App Info. This will open a window where you can manage a variety of settings related to how the Facebook app functions on your system. Now, click on Settings. This will take you into a more detailed menu with additional options. Next, scroll down until you see an option labeled More Settings and Permissions. Click on that. This is where you can control specific access the app has on your PC, including the all-important virtual reality setting. You'll now see a list of permission categories. Look for the one labeled Virtual Reality. Right next to it, there should be a toggle or drop-down menu. Click on it and select Allow. And that's it. Once you've enabled the virtual reality permission, the Facebook app will be able to fully communicate with your VR headset, giving you access to your favorite VR features and apps without any more issues. Just remember, anytime there's an update to the app, it's a good idea to double-check your permission settings in case anything gets reset. Following these steps should keep your VR experience smooth and ready to go. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tech tips. See you in the virtual world.